The Earth is a beautiful blue planet. It's also a very vibrant planet. On this land, it's home to about 1 million species. We evolved and thrived here together for billions of years. And the Earth, the reason why so much life has been possible. In addition to the unique external conditions, there is another important factor. That is, the Earth has a hot core. The core is the innermost part of the Earth. It makes up 31% of the Earth's mass. The temperature here is extremely high, even beyond the surface of the Sun. It can reach up to 600 K. Now many of you may have some questions. Why is the river so hot? Where does his heat come from? Generally speaking, the heat in the Earth's core comes from 2 sources. The first is the primordial heat of the Earth at its birth. We know the Earth was formed about 4.60 billion years ago from the remnants of the original solar system, attacked. In the early days, the gravitational pull of these dust fragments, they keep gathering, collision, over time, and they snowballed. They're getting bigger and bigger, eventually formed the Earth. At first, the original Earth was just a state of hot lava. But then as the ground began to cool, they formed the Earth's crust. The temperature of the Earth's core, it was preserved at this time. Another source of heat is from radioactive decay in the Earth's core. In fact, inside our planet, there are large amounts of radioactive elements. These radioactive elements are decaying. It releases heat and can persist for billions of years. That's why the temperature inside the Earth is so high. However, the temperature of the Earth's core won't last forever. Due to geological activities such as volcanic eruptions, it will constantly radiate heat, quantity at the same time, large amounts of radioactive elements over time. Less and less heat will be generated. And in 2022, scientists conducted a study on the distribution of daemon between the Earth's core. Bridgman's stone research found his thermal conductivity is 1.5 times higher than expected. This means that the core is cooling faster than previously thought. And the simple answer is this, is the current temperature of the Earth's core. It's actually accelerating its cooling. So if the future core cools, what will be the consequences for the Earth? If the core cools, all life on Earth, or at risk of extinction, due to the formation principle of the Earth's magnetic field, due to the internal, produced by the flow of liquid iron. The Earth's magnetic field is an important barrier to life. It will be produced from the Earth's core to wrap the Earth, deflecting the solar peak and escaping into space. Protect us from streams of high-energy charged particles. If the floor box once cooled, then the Earth's magnetic field will disappear. The consequences, that is, the atmosphere will be influenced by the solar wind, little bits of glass getting thinner and thinner. All life on Earth will also be hit by the sun's energetic particle stream, the road to extinction. Liquid water also evaporates. Finally, into a desolate planet like Mars. In fact, according to the research of scientists, Mars might have been like Earth. It has a liquid ocean. There was even life. Only later, as the inland river cooled, the Martian magnetic field gradually disappears and turned it into the barren desert planet it is today. But now we don't have to worry too much about cooling the Earth's core, because this cooling didn't happen all of a sudden. It's a slow process. at least for the next billion years. The heat in the Earth's core will remain one steady state,